What's going on, my people? I appreciate you guys checking out the channel again, man. Today I am so excited because we are headed over to Unique Rides once again. So I'm dropping off the car at Unique Rides so they can touch up the boat in the back like I was telling you about. Once I get that, I'll point it out again so you guys can see it. But we're gonna do the boats on the back of the Wicker bill to the Gold Mango Orange and see how that turns out, man. If I don't like it, just so you guys know, because you know, I know some people are gonna be like, man, we should just leave it alone. I got you, understand. But I want to see how it looks, man, because I really do think it's gonna make the you know, break up some of that black back there, and it's gonna make it look, you know, just gonna make it stand out a little bit more. So I will be, but I do have a set on hand, or not on hand, but I have it in my cart from the website just in case. So if I don't like it, then I'll just order another set of boats, black boats, and just put them back on, right? So too easy, man. But I at least got to know how it will look. Also, I'm happy to announce that well, first of all, if you guys heard my other video, the one that I was doing the update, I did an unboxing of the Catless Midpipes. Remember I mentioned that I was going to go to a muffler shop that was pretty reputable around my area, and I was, but I decided to go ahead and let Unique Rides go ahead and do it, man. So I talked to my dude Gabe, and hooked me up with a great price. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them do it. Like I said, they're pretty much a one-stop shop anyway. So being that they already worked on the car, I'm gonna go ahead and let them continue to work on it. So obviously the Catless Midpipes are both on, but we also have a couple other little tricks and little surprises up our sleeves, of course, that we're gonna make sure we hit you guys with when it's all said and done. But for the most part, the Catless Midpipes are bolt on, so you know, there you go. Other than that, man, I'm getting ready to head over there right now. Unfortunately, I won't be able to pick it up today, so you guys are gonna have a couple days in between this video where you're not gonna be able to hear it because work called again. So I gotta jump on a plane, and I gotta be, you know, and I'll be gone for about 2 days or so, 2 or 3 days. So as soon as I get back, of course, you guys are gonna hear it, and then we're gonna go from there, man. But the car is going in today to get his surgery done. He's gonna get a lung transplant. That's what I call it anyway, right? We're gonna make sure we open up his airways, or her airways, and we're gonna let her breathe, man, breathe properly. Then of course, right after that, if you guys are wondering, yes, I'm gonna end up getting it tuned so we can tune it all and make sure she's in tip-top shape and everything is working, and not only working, but everything is being used to its full potential. So so right after we do this, not right after, bro, you know, after we do this, we're gonna start looking into getting in the tune, and I gotta look at the different ones to see exactly which one I want to get. Although I do got a boy that works at Diablo Sport, so you know, not only in pricing, but I mean, if I take it over to them, you know, I'm pretty sure they could tune it, their own product, tune it the right way, and tune the way it's supposed to be done. So we'll see, man. But I'm gonna look at different ones and see which one I actually want to go with and which one I think will benefit me more. So with that, man, I got one more thing I want to ask you guys, or tell you guys about, man. So I've been debating on what I want to actually call this car. So if you guys remember my or not my old, but one of my very first videos, I said that I was going to be naming this car Tigger. I don't think I'm going to stick with Tigger, man, because I don't just, first of all, just it does fit the car because it's orange and black, obviously, but I always call it her or she or something like that, and we all know Tigger is a boy, so I just don't think that's going to sit, you know, it's not going to go right, flow right with me for the car. So with that being said it again, but with that, I think I'm going to name the car Christine. Now if you don't know what Christine is, right, because some of you guys might be kind of young, got this dude over here looking at me. Anyway, so if you don't know who or who Christine is, make sure you guys go on Netflix, Google it, whatever, right? Christine the movie. It was back in the 1980s, I believe. Yeah, back in the 1980s. There's a movie called Christine. Now, I think that movie, if you haven't seen it, make sure, like I said, make sure you watch it. But that movie, I think, depicts the perfect relationship between a person and their car. If they're a gearhead or a car lover or anything like that, I think it depicts their relationship perfectly. Now, I will tell you one thing about Christine, right? The actual movie Christine. I'm not gonna spoil it for those who haven't watched it yet, but there is some actions that or things that happen with Christine that I don't want to happen with my car. But at the end of the day, the reason why I'm gonna call it Christine is because, like I said, just that relationship, that bond that you get, you know, that a car lover or whatever gets with their car. So from now on, man, we're gonna recognize this car, and it's gonna be known as Christine. On top of that, you know, the good thing about the actual movie Christine, the car was a Mopar. So go figure, right? It wasn't a Dodge. It was a Plymouth Fury, I believe. But hey, whatever. It was a Mopar, man. So anyway, so cool, man. We're gonna keep that in the family. So like I said, from now on, we're gonna call this car Christine. So there you go, man. All right, guys. We'll see you guys at Unique, man. And we are here. See, this is how you pull up to Unique, man. They like their gates are like never open. You gotta like call them, let them know that you're here, and they open up the gate for you. Yeah, they pretty much do everything by appointment, man. Like I said, they're not guys that like to get a lot of recognition. They do good work and they get it out, man. Pretty much, simple as that. All right, man. Let me call these guys. All right, guys. So we're here at Unique Rides. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off, just so I can point it out to you guys. Like I said, we're gonna do the bolts in the back here. All these bolts are gonna end up being orange, and the same orange as the car. So basically, the Go Mango orange. You're gonna color match the bolts to the car. And like I said, we'll see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I'll just, you know, pretty much order the black ones. It's probably like $20-$30 to order that. Order the black ones and then you know, put them back on black. And other than that, man, we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna do the lung transplant. We're gonna do the exhaust, the Catless mids, and then, like I said, a couple other little goodies that we'll show you guys on the way back. So unfortunately, like I said, man, it's gonna be a couple days, you know, before we can actually hear it, because I gotta, you know, I gotta take off on the plane. But then after that, man, we'll come back and we'll see how it looks, or we see how it sounds on top of that. So we see how it looks with the bolts, and we'll see how it sounds. Other than that, man, I appreciate you guys for checking in. As always, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because trust me, you want to see how this is going to come out. You want to hear it, definitely. And on top of that, man, I got a lot more goodies coming to you guys in the coming days and in the coming weeks, man. So make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit that notification bell, because you do not want to miss it, man. Trust me. Other than that, I'm your boy FatKat, man. As like I always say, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.